Hello and welcome to this video tutorial of the NEMESIS Social Innovation Learning Platform. This video is about how to register your students in the platform. So, let's start with the students' registration procedure. The students' registration is a bit different compared to the teachers' one. The first thing you need to do, if you want your students to be registered in the platform and part of the project, is to request registration codes from the platform administration. You can do so by emailing nemesis/platform@ili.fau.de from the email account you used to register in the platform. You can request as many codes as you want. You will receive the codes via email in a few days. When you have the codes, each student must follow the same registration procedure, meaning they have to go to the top right corner of the screen, click on Login, and there click on New Account Registration, but using one registration code per student in the registration form. Notice that your students need to fill in all the mandatory fields in the registration form marked with a red star. Then they need to scroll down, accept Terms of Service, and click on Register. After sending the registration form, the students will be automatically registered in the platform and included in your school area, so they don't have to wait for confirmation. They can start using the platform straight away. What the students can access in the platform: they will be able to join all school groups, to check the content they developed for the project. They can fill in the questionnaires available in the platform. You can find a link in your school area, and they can share experiences, ideas with other NEMESIS students in the student area. If you have any doubt about the NEMESIS platform, do not hesitate to send an email to nemesis/platform@ili.fau.de. In English, German or Spanish, we're here to help you. Thank you very much and goodbye.